Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Wise. Well, it's very easy thing to do this, but first of all you have to set up your bank account, then only you will able to withdraw money, right? So to do this, now you have to go to the recipient and then you have to go to the my accounts. Now here you will get this option to add your bank account. So make sure to add your bank account here. So once you add your bank account, automatically, all the money will get withdrawn to your bank account in just few minutes, right? So Wise is pretty fast. It doesn't take too many days, just like PayPal or Payoneer. You can just withdraw your money. I mean, it will get automatically withdrawn to your account because Wise doesn't have a wallet system. So it will not get collected just like PayPal, right? Automatically, your money will get transferred to your bank account instantly in just few minutes. Right, so this is how Wise works and this is how you can set it up. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.